Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I give honest review on things that is working and things that is not working to save you from the unnecessary stress and time. Okay, today we are going to talk about drivel. In this drivel we are going to see if there is actually arbitrage opportunity. A lot of people are claiming that there is arbitrage opportunity here, so we are actually going to look onto it. So before I start explaining everything in this video, what you need to know that is we are actually coming here to buy a Binance gift card and go and redeem it in Binance platform and make our profits. Don't forget that arbitrage is concerned with buying low and selling high. So in this website, according to some people, I'm going to please watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you the truth. If arbitrage here is actually working or it's not working. So you just pay attention and listen to me carefully. So this is how it works. Please let me sound this to you before I comment this video. If you want to carry out any arbitrage or anything in any platform at all, please and please do well to verify on that platform either phone number or email address before you can, or if possible your KYC verification before you can carry out any activity in any platform. Okay, so a lot of people are claiming that this arbitrage is really working. Let's just dive into the video and see if actually it's working. But before I commence the tutorial, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and please turn on the notification button so that next time I drop a video you'll be the first to watch. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. The first thing you are going to do, you can see drivel, you can see my country, you can see the rest of the thing. You can see, let me click on this human icon here. Okay, you can see my name. You can see that if I click on this, you actually see that I am verified and my phone number is verified and my email is verified. So I'm not going to explain that now. Let me go back. Okay, okay. So if you are residing in Nigeria, you make sure that you search for your own country. If you are residing in Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, or any country you are residing, you click on your country and then you actually carry out this. So without wasting much time, let's click on search. We are going to search for the gift card we are going to buy. I don't actually want this video to be long, so it's going to be a short video. Actually, we are just going to explain everything straight and forward. So you actually click on this search bar. Once you click on this search bar, okay, once you click on this search bar, you actually type on Binance, sorry, actually type on Binance. Okay, as you can see Binance USDT. You can get Binance USDT 100, Binance USDT 25 gift card, Binance USDT 20 USD gift card, and so on and so forth. So as you can see this, if you're actually getting Binance USDT 100 US sorry 100 USDT gift card at the rate of 90,795 naira, you if you can get at this rate, you are going to sell it and make profit. If you can get Binance USDT 50 USD gift card, if you can get it at this rate 45,308 naira, you also make a profit. But the truth is that, is this actually true or is just an advert to prompt people? So let's click on it. Let me click on the one of 100 USDT. Okay, I click on it. It going to pop up. It's going to pop up. Going to pop up. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. They are claiming to sell, to redeem, to give me a gift card of 100 USD gift card for the sum of 90,795 naira. Okay, that's not bad, but let's see if actually it's true. Then I will now click on buy. Click on buy. Okay, you will see automatically my email will be inserted here because I have already verified. Okay, and in this website you can only make use of your credit or debit card. There's no other option. It's only credit or debit card. So coming down here, you see there's summarization of what actually what you are going to pay. So for 100 USD gift card, you are paying 179,749 naira, which is actually huge. And if you buy this at this rate, because this is the actual rate you are going to pay once you insert your credit card or debit card, either credit visa card or mastercard. If you now insert your everything, your card number, your card holder name, your expiring date and your CVV, this is the amount below. You just look down here, just look down, look, yes, just look down at the extreme here, extreme. This is what you actually pay, 179,749 naira, which is actually huge. And if you go to Binance to redeem it, you actually be, even if you sell it on P2P market, you actually be on a loss because you are paying much more higher than, I don't even know, but it's high. This amount is too much. You are not going to make any profit. So in my own conclusion, there is no arbitrage opportunity here. Forget about what you saw in the on the interface before logging in. There is no arbitrage opportunity here. So that's what I just want to tell you guys, so that you not go and waste your time and your energy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you.